Converting Bitcoin to Binance Coin, or BNB, is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you will need to have a Bitcoin wallet and a Binance account. If you do not have a Binance account, you can create one by going to the Binance website and following the registration process. Once you have a Binance account, you will need to deposit your Bitcoin into the exchange. To do this, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Deposits page. From here, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and copy the deposit address. You can then use this address to send your Bitcoin from your wallet to the exchange. After your Bitcoin has been deposited, you can navigate to the trading page and select the Bitcoin to BNB trading pair. Here, you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert to BNB and review the exchange rate. It is a good idea to check the current market price and fees before completing the trade. Once you have reviewed the details, you can confirm the trade and the exchange will convert your Bitcoin to BNB. The converted BNB will then be deposited into your Binance wallet, where you can use it to trade or withdraw it to an external wallet. It is worth noting that converting Bitcoin to BNB may incur fees, including trading fees and withdrawal fees. To minimize these fees, it is a good idea to check the fee schedule before completing the trade. Additionally, it is always a good idea to use two-factor authentication and enable other security measures to protect your account and assets. Overall, converting Bitcoin to BNB is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely convert your Bitcoin to BNB and start using it to trade or participate in the Binance ecosystem.